Today we will discuss the probability chapter. In that there is a binomial distribution, normal distribution, and Poisson's distributions. So out of three distributions, let us learn what is binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. The binomial distribution is here number of success, frequency of probability. For zero success, probability is q raised to n. For one success, probability is nc1 q raised to n minus 1 into p. For three success, nc2 q raised to n minus 2 p square. So up to n, we get ncn p raised to n. So total is q plus p raised to n equal to 1. This is the binomial distribution. In that, mean is equal to np, standard deviation equal to square root npq, and variance sigma square is equal to npq. So this is the basic of binomial distribution. On this binomial distribution, let us look a problem. A coin is tossed 4 times. What is the probability of getting 2 or more heads? Means number of successes 2 or more than 2. Means 2, 3, 4, up to 4 heads, because coin is tossed 4 times. Let us calculate probability of getting head and tail. This is the set of first one coin is tossed. So it is tossed 4 times, means the probability of getting head, probability of getting head, p is equal to half. Out of 2 sets, probability of getting head is only 1 by 2. 1 is the head and 2 is the number of outcomes. Similarly, probability of getting non-heads, it is q, which is equal to 1 minus half. So q equal to half. So binomial distribution is probability of getting ahead, that is 2 hits, 4c2 q raised to square p raised to square. Hence it is 4c2 q is half raised to square and half raised to square. The 4c2 is 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. Half raised to square and half raised to square, which is equal to 3 by 8. Let us look the another head, getting head. Probability of getting 3 hits 4c3 q raised to 1 p raised to 3. So 4c3 half raised to 1 half raised to q. So 4 into 3 into 2 2 into 3 multiplied by half q, which is equal to 1/4. Similarly, probability of getting forehead equal to 4c3 q raised to 4 minus 3 1 and p raised to 4 n, which is equal to 1 into half raised to square fourth 1 by 16. So addition of these 3 by 8 1/4 and 1 by 16 is the total head. So total head or more heads equals to 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 equal to 11 by 16. So answer is 11 by 16. That is the probability of getting head when coin is tossed 4 times. Let us look the another problem. Out of 2000 families with 4 children each, how many would you expect to have at least a boy, one or two girls? No girls. Here, the second problem on probability, that is binomial distribution, is here given. Out of 2000 families with 4 children each, how many would you expect to have at least a boy? Second, one or two girls, and third is no girls. Let us see probability of boys. P is equal to half, and probability of getting girls, Q equal to half, So number of children are 4 and capital N is 2000. At least a boy, at least a boy. So its probability is 2000 4C1 half raised to 1 half raised to cube plus 4C2 half raised to square half raised to square plus 4C3 half raised to cube half plus 4C4 half raised to fourth half raised to 0. Here the number of children are 4. So n is 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the possible outcomes of this probability. Like out of 4 children, 1 boy, out of 4 children, 2 boy, out of 4 children, 3 boy, out of 4 children, 4 boy, like this. So its answer is, after simplifying this equation, 1875. This is at least a boy. From 4 children, at least one boy is there. So we have to add 0, 1, 2, 3. This is 1 boy, this is 2 boy, this is 3 boy, this is 4 boy. Because in probability we need at least one boy. Second number is no, one girl and one or two girls. One or two girls. So let us learn the equation. Out of 2000 families, 4 children, at least one girl. So 4C1 half raised to 4 minus 1, 3 half raised to 1 plus 4C2 half raised to square half raised to square. So one girl, at least one girl means from 4 children we take one girl, from 4 children we take 2 girls. So this is the resultant probability is 2000 bracket 4C1 half raised to cube half raised to 1 power plus 4C2 half raised to square half raised to square. So after simplifying this equation, answer is 1250. Let us look third problem. Third, no girl, no girls. So its probability becomes 2000 multiplied by 4C0. We want 0 girl. 4C0 half raised to n minus 0, 4, and half raised to 0, power 0. equals to 125. So the next problem is on binomial distribution. In 100 sets of 10 tosses of a coin, in how many cases do you expect 7 heads and 3 tails? And second is at least 7 heads. So let us look the solution. Probability of getting head p equals to half, and getting tail q is equal to half. Means suppose there is a set, it has a head and tail. For one coin is tossed, so capital N equal to 100 and small n is equal to 10. So let us look the first case, 7 heads and 3 tails, which is equal to, out of 10 tosses we want 7 head, so 10c7 half raised to ncr in 10 minus 7 3 half raised to 7n. Answer is 12. Second, probability of getting at least 7 head. Probability of getting at least 7 heads. So in a problem, out of 10 tosses, in that 7 heads we want. So its probability becomes 100 into 10c7 half raised to 7 half raised to cube. This is the probability of getting 7 heads. At least 7 head means from 7 head we have to continue up to the 10 tosses number 10. 10c8 half raised to square into half raised to 10 minus 8 6. Again 10c9 half raised to 10 minus 9 1 and half raised to 9 plus 10c10 half raised to 0 and half raised to 10. So its answer is 17. Thank you. Let us look the another problem on binomial distribution is the x is given and frequency of occurrence is given f. So xf means frequency of occurrence and x, these are two product form xf. So 0 6 into 0 we get 0, 20 into 1 we get 20, 28 into 2 56, 12 into 3 36, 8 into 4 32, 6 into 5 30, 6 into 0 0. So summation of this f of x and f is 174. N total n equal to 80. So we have to find out mean. Mean is equal to summation of f into x upon capital N. We have already calculated summation f of x is 174 divided by 80. So mean equals to 2.17. So n is equal to 7, capital N is equal to 80. So mean equal to NP. N is 2.175 is equal to 7p. So p equal to 0.3107 and q equals to 1 minus p, 1 minus 0.3107. So q equals to 0.689. So this is the mean. Mean is equal to NP. Mean is equal to summation of f of x upon n.